AMP presently exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 fundamentally is as of now at $0.005 in a sort of large manner. AMP especially faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, which really is genuinely critical. AMP records all things considered, descending development today, which certainly is genuinely critical. 15 July 2023. In this article we will in a real sense walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these habitually sort of sought clarification on some things, facts. What sort of is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for AMP? Really is AMP for the most part wise speculation, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP support and opposition levels and so forth in an essentially significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging extremely profound into the AMP specialized investigation, sort of allowed us most certainly to discuss the really current economic situations, or so they by and large thought. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the essentially whole digital currency market to $1,216,031,446,891 in an unpretentious manner. The genuinely complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $29,444,606,376 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level, after a vertical development of 0.25%. Most certainly further appearance how AMP truly faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 0.72%, coming to $1,931.55 during the past 24 hours, or so they certainly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.55 following a value change of 2.36% inside a similar time period, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, generally is up by 1.8 and right now exchanging at 72 cents. So market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,216,031,446,891, which in a real sense is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions certainly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a kind of descending course, for most certainly present moment, which really shows that AMP in a real sense faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006, which generally is very huge. As of now, a sort of broad, quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely enormous manner. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish in every way that really matters key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route. For the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking, support explicitly is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become certainly more by and large dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly is very critical. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which dealers generally become commonly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how as of now, a genuinely broad for the most part bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market incredibly. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP in every practical sense is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the especially beyond 24 hours and basically has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, which sort of shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there all things considered, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters Whole cryptographic money market to $1,216,031,446,891 in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is $5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while especially complete market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars. Especially further appearance how Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%. Especially as opposed to prevalent thinking, there in every practical sense are practically 42,227,702,186 in every way that really matters, are available for use out of 99,213,408,535 in a genuinely significant manner. AMP Value Examination AMP Cost Investigation for 15 July 2023. Inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span, truly made sense of beneath, which generally shows that there explicitly are practically 42,227,702,186, basically are available for use out of 99,213,408,535 in an unpretentious manner. We utilize kind of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving fundamentally normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including exceptionally straightforward moving really normal, SMA, and remarkable moving most certainly normal, EMA to investigate the future development of the AMP, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, which by and large is very critical. While AMP's Williams %R pointer in a real sense is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange genuinely signal truly is especially conceivable at this reach, showing how XRP the in every way that really matters. Local coin of XRP fundamentally is up by 1.8 and right now exchanging at 72 cents. So market examination over the last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,216,031,446,891 in a sort of huge manner. The MACD line in every practical sense is remaining underneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, showing how the MACD line truly is remaining beneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid. Or so they truly thought. AMP financial backers need to truly hang tight for any directional change over the especially day-to-day diagram, which especially is genuinely critical. The main help level for AMP essentially is at $0.005, while the subsequent one for the most part is at $0.004. So the MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, showing how the MACD line fundamentally is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid in an essentially significant manner, while taking about opposition the AMP by and large